Did you know that hackers can track your location with nothing more than your phone number? It might sound unbelievable, but it's a reality that's becoming more common every single day. With just a few clicks and the right tools, someone with malicious intent can pinpoint your whereabouts, monitor your movements, and even gather sensitive information about you, all without your knowledge or consent. It sounds like something straight out of a spy movie, right? But this isn't fiction. It's happening right now, all around the world. Hackers, scammers, and even stalkers are using free tools and apps to track unsuspecting people, exploiting vulnerabilities in our everyday devices. The scary part? Most of us have no idea how exposed we really are. In today's hyper-connected world, our smartphones have become extensions of ourselves. We use them for everything: communicating, banking, shopping, and even controlling our homes. But with this convenience comes risk. Every app you install, every website you visit, and every call you make can leave digital breadcrumbs that hackers can exploit. That's why protecting your personal data and privacy is more crucial now than ever before. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the world of phone tracking. We'll reveal 10 free tools that hackers commonly use to track phones, explain how these tools work, and most importantly, show you what steps you can take to stay one step ahead and protect yourself from these threats. Remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. We do not condone or encourage any illegal activity. Our goal is to inform and empower you, not to provide tools for misuse. By understanding how hackers operate and what tools they use, you'll be better equipped to defend your privacy, secure your devices, and protect your loved ones from digital threats. Knowledge is your best defense in the digital age. So, if you're ready to take control of your digital security, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's jump right in and explore the first tool hackers use to track your phone, so you can learn how to stop them in their tracks. Let's kick things off with Truecaller. Hackers use Truecaller to search your number and see the name, profile photo, and sometimes even more, like your address or social media links. Even if you never signed up, your info might be exposed through friends' address books. All this data can be used for phishing or social engineering scams. Double-check your privacy settings and be careful what you share, even on safe apps. Try searching your own number on Truecaller to see what's out there. You might be surprised at what you find. Next up is Mobile Number Tracker. It's basic, but hackers use it to get your city, region, and service provider just by entering your number. Even knowing your city helps hackers target you with region-specific scams. Combined with other info, it's a valuable piece of the puzzle. These trackers are easy to find, but often filled with ads or malicious links, so don't click carelessly. If you see your city pop up, take it as a warning to ramp up your privacy. Think twice before sharing your number online. Now let's talk about GPS Phone Tracker. This tool can use satellite data to find your phone's real-time location, sometimes down to a few meters. Some apps require your consent, but phishing can trick you into sharing location permissions. Hackers can follow your movements and routines, even if the app looks harmless. Always review app permissions and check what's installed on your device. Even with GPS off, hackers might use Wi-Fi or cell towers to triangulate your location. A quick settings review could save you from a major privacy headache. Find My Device by Google is a lifesaver if you've lost your phone. With just a few clicks, you can locate your device on a map, make it ring loudly even if it's on silent, or remotely lock it to keep your data safe. For anyone who's ever misplaced their phone, this tool can feel like a miracle, offering peace of mind and a quick solution to a stressful situation. But, as with many powerful tools, there's a flip side that's important to understand. If someone manages to get access to your Google account, they instantly gain control over your devices. They can see your phone's real-time location, make it ring, lock it, or even erase everything on it, without needing to install anything extra. All it takes is your Google credentials, and suddenly, your personal information and privacy are at risk. Beyond just your current location, a hacker can view your entire location history, track where you've been, and even see the Wi-Fi networks your phone has connected to. This information can be used to build a detailed profile of your daily routines, favorite places, and more. That's why enabling two-factor authentication is absolutely crucial. With this extra layer of security, even if someone gets your password, they'll need a second code, usually sent to your phone or generated by an app, to get in. Without two-factor authentication, your Google account, and by extension, your phone, are like open books to anyone who guesses or steals your password. It's a risk you can't afford to take. Make it a habit to change your password regularly and always be on the lookout for phishing attempts. Hackers often use fake emails or websites to trick you into giving up your login details. Never reuse passwords across different sites. If one account is compromised, reused passwords can give hackers access to everything else. Take a few minutes to review your Google account's security settings. Enable all available protections and make sure your recovery information is up to date. Remember, your phone's security depends on how well you protect your Google account. Stay vigilant, and you'll keep your data and your peace of mind safe. Apple's Find. My iPhone is a powerful tool designed to help you recover your lost or stolen devices. With just a few taps, you can locate your iPhone, play a sound to help you find it, or even remotely lock or erase your device to protect your data. For millions of users, this feature offers peace of mind, knowing that their personal information and expensive devices are safer from loss or theft. However, while Find My iPhone is a great security feature for you, it can also become a serious risk if it falls into the wrong hands. If a hacker manages to get your Apple ID and password, they can log in from anywhere in the world and instantly see the location of your phone, iPad, or even your MacBook. This means that your privacy and security are only as strong as your Apple ID credentials. It's not just about losing a device. Someone could track your movements, know when you're not home, or even use your information for more targeted attacks. Hackers often use phishing emails that look like official Apple messages to trick you into revealing your login details. These emails might warn you of suspicious activity or ask you to verify your account, but their real goal is to steal your credentials. Always be cautious with unexpected emails and never click on suspicious links. The location tracking in Find My iPhone is extremely precise. If a hacker gains access, they can pinpoint your exact location at any time. This level of accuracy, while helpful for finding lost devices, can be dangerous if someone with bad intentions is watching your every move. Shared Apple devices, such as those used by families or in workplaces, can also pose risks. Anyone with access to the shared Apple ID can see the location of all connected devices. This means your privacy could be compromised by people you know, not just strangers. To protect yourself, regularly review who has access to your Apple ID and check your security settings. Remove any devices or users you don't recognize and make sure your account information is up to date. Always use a strong, unique password for your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for hackers to break in, even if they have your password. Remember, your Apple ID is like the keys to your digital house. Protect it as carefully as you would your home, and stay vigilant to keep your devices and personal information safe. Spyic is a stealthy monitoring app originally for parents and employers, but now a hacker favorite. Once installed, it runs in the background, sending real-time location updates, messages, and call logs. The catch? Someone has to physically install it, so most attacks come from people you know. Spyic's dashboard lets hackers monitor multiple devices and set up geofences. Never leave your phone unattended, use a strong lock screen, and check for unfamiliar apps. If your phone feels slow or the battery drains fast, do a security sweep. Cocospy is another stealth tracking app that operates quietly and is easy for hackers to use. It tracks your real-time location, texts, calls, and media files, all without you noticing. Hackers use social engineering or moments of distraction to install it. Cocospy can even track SIM card changes, making it hard to shake off. Keep your phone updated, install security patches, and run anti-malware scans. Staying one step ahead is your best defense. Locator lets hackers find your approximate location just by entering your phone number. It's less precise than GPS, but enough for targeted scams or identity theft. Some versions cross-reference public databases and social media for more clues. Combined with other tools, it helps build a detailed profile fast. Try searching your number to see what's out there. Sometimes, a simple search reveals just how much info is floating around. Phone Tracker by Number is popular for its user-friendly interface and accurate tracking. Hackers just enter a number and the app tries to show the phone's location on a map. No tech skills needed, making it widely abused. Hackers can send location requests disguised as legit notifications. Be cautious about accepting location requests and review app permissions regularly. You can always revoke permissions in your phone's settings. Family Locator is designed for safety, but hackers can exploit it if they gain access. With a leaked password or phishing, they can monitor every movement in your group. Hackers can add themselves to your family group and access historical location data. Most people trust these apps and rarely check group members. An attacker could be watching for weeks before anyone notices. Regularly review group members, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication. Don't assume family safety tools are always safe. We've just covered 10 free phone tracking tools hackers use, and now you know how they work. Stay safe by securing your accounts and being careful about what you share online. If you learned something new, drop a comment and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you in the next video.